Let's start with chapter number 13, inequations. So we all know what an equation is. A statement of equality is called an equation. So now let's learn about what is an equation. Inequation. 3x greater than 12, 3x less than 12, 3x greater than equal to 12, or 3x less than equal to 12. These are the signs which are generally used for inequations. So inequation is a statement of inequality. Now what is linear inequation? When the power of the variable is not greater than 1, it's called a linear inequation. 3x greater than 12, this is an inequation. But if I say 3x square greater than 12, this is not an inequation, because you can see the power of the variable is not equal to 1. Now let's read what is a replacement or a universal set. A set from which the values of variables are chosen is called a replacement or a universal set. What is a solution set? Set of the elements chosen from the replacement set is called a solution set. Let's see one example. Suppose we have a set, or we can say we have a replacement set with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The inequation is x greater than 6. Now for the solution set, we have to choose all the elements from the replacement set which are greater than 6. So our solution set will have the elements 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now suppose we have to represent this solution set graphically. So how do we do it? Graphical representation of a solution set. We draw a number line, a line with numbers. We call it a number line. Generally a number line is drawn with a pencil. We draw a number line. We can have any number of elements, numbers that we want, but we have to mark only the elements that we have in our solution set. So 7, 8, 9 and 10. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's start with the exercise, starting with question number 1. Replacement set is given to us, exercise 13.1. Replacement set is given with elements 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The inequation is x less than 6. So to find the solution set, we have to find out all the elements which are less than or equal to 6. So solution set will have 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How to represent the solution set graphically? We'll draw a number line and we'll mark the elements of the solution set, that is 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Second question. The inequation is x less than 8, where x belongs to whole numbers. Now, replacement set x such that x is a positive integer, and the inequation is x less than equal to 7. So, let's first find out all the whole numbers which are less than equal to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now, for the solution set, the inequation was x less than 8. Choose all the elements which are less than 8. So we'll have all these elements, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Question number 3. First part. The inequation is x less than 5. Replacement set has the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And we have to find the solution set, all the elements which are less than 5. So choose all the elements which are less than 5, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Second part, the inequation is same, that is x less than 5. Now the replacement set has different elements, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For the solution set, we have to find out all the elements which are less than 5. So less than 5 we have minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's start with question number 4. Now we have an equation. In question number 4, we have to draw the graphical representation of the solution set. Minus 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 4, where x belongs to integers. I stands for integers. First, let's find out the solution set. Now minus 1 less than equal to x, which is less than equal to 4. So all the elements between minus 1 and 4, including minus 1 and 4, because we have the sign of equality given. So that's minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the same elements are to be represented on the number line. mark highlighting the elements of the solution set. Second part, minus 2 less than x less than 2, where x belongs to I again stands for integers. Let's find the solution set. So it's minus 2 and 2. So we have to find out all the elements between minus 2 and 2, which are minus 1, 0 and 1. Again, highlighting these elements on the number line. Third part, x less than 6, where x belongs to n and n stands for the natural numbers. So we have to find out all the elements which are less than 6. Solution set will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the natural numbers less than 6. Again, graphical representation of the solution set. Fourth part, minus 5 is less than x, which is less than 0. X belongs to I, that's integers. So for the solution set, we need to find out all the elements between minus 5 and 0, which are minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. And then representing the elements of the solution set graphically. Last part, 6 less than equal to x less than equal to 8, where x belongs to integers. Solution set. Now here equality sign is there. So we need to find out all the elements between 6 and 8, including 6 and 8 also. That is 6, 7 and 8, and then representing the elements graphically.